Hello guys, so today actually I'm gonna go over how to clean the cement stuck on your car. So as you can see here, right here, this is cement which is stuck on my car. I'm gonna kind of give a close-up here. It's pretty hard and I don't want to scratch the car obviously. And not only that, there's also a few marks here, you can see here, right? And right here. So it's pretty simple, easy. You don't need to spend too much money in sending it for detailing, giving hundreds of dollars. Easy fix. I'm going to show you guys. So what we're going to start with here is very simple. We have a dishwasher here, right? And I'm going to pour some dishwasher in this glass. You don't want to put too much, just a little bit. And I'm gonna add some hot water. Make it very hot. Like this. And the reason we want hot is, it's easier for grease or whatever to come out, or cement, if once the water is hot. And just gonna mix hot water in here. That's it. Perfect. And our solution is almost ready. Okay, so now we have dishwasher and water combination ready here. I'm just gonna add a little of white vinegar. Okay, as you can see, it's a little more than half filled up, so I'm just gonna add more vinegar. Okay, and just mix it a little. Alrighty, and to this mixture we'll also add some salt, a little bit of salt, and mix it up. Okay, so we have the solution ready now. I'm just taking a paper towel here, made little folds, just dipping it in here, and the key is just to wet this up, right? We don't want to turn the stuff around, like we don't want to do that, because if you do that, it's gonna scratch. So at this point we are just wetting it a little bit. That's all our goal is. As you can see, the dishwasher is kind of coming down, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other spots. We're just wetting it at this point. That's all we are doing, right? We are not pressing it too hard. We just want to make sure that the cement, like basically the solution, reaches all the way in, right? That's the goal. We just want to make sure that reaches in. Again, we are not applying any force, just little dab, simple. Okay, pause. Okay, so now I've left it for a minute. As you can see, I have it's totally wet, and now the fun basically begins, right? So now it's all wet from all the sides, and it's pretty simple. A little bit of pressure, and ta-da-da-da-da-da. You can see absolutely clean, right? There is absolutely no mark, and this is the way you can easily, right? Once you apply this mixture of dishwasher, white vinegar, water, and salt, leave it for a minute and make sure that it's properly wet from all the sides, and very little pressure, and it comes off, and it's super clean. All right, good luck guys.